2020 Tesla Roadster. Imagine a road trip across the United States without once cleaning the smell of gasoline off your hands with the small bottle of hand sanitizer you keep tucked away in the glove compartment. Now imagine tearing up the asphalt in your new Tesla Roadster, going 0-60 in an unthinkable 1.9 seconds. Imagine still hitting top speeds of 250 miles per hour. Of course, in this imagined world there are no police officers, with the glass top removed and the wind of freedom blowing through your hair. This is the future, but the not-too-distant future for Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who last month unveiled his 2020 Tesla Roadster. This 4-seat, all-wheel drive, electric vehicle can travel 620 miles between charges. With a hefty sticker price of $200,000, it will require future owners to leave a deposit of $50,000 in order to celebrate 2020 in accelerated style. Imagine once again that dream road trip. Conceivably, in a 2020 Roadster, one can leave bustling New York City on a Saturday morning, and traverse the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco less than 1 week later. If one brings along a driving partner, and takes shifts. If indeed there are no speed limits in this fantasy, one can leave the Atlantic shore and arrive at the Pacific Ocean in 4 days. This is all possible because of the current and future proliferation of electric charging stations across the country, chipping away at the global climate crisis one vehicle at a time. Elon Musk's vision of reducing global warming through sustainable energy is becoming more and more of a reality. Happily, not all Tesla vehicles possess the elite price tag of the Roadster. In fact, the Model 3, unveiled in 2017, has an accessible cost of $35,000. Therefore, more and more drivers will be able to join the fray against the burning of fossil fuels.
Thank you.